Welcome to our electrical engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will see unilateral circuit. Now remember that uni means one. So here unilateral circuit allows the current flow only in one direction. So here it is a circuit which allows the current to flow in only one direction. That circuit is called as unilateral circuit. Now here we can see this circuit is called as unilateral circuit. Now here we can see it consists of diode, and the property of diode is that it allows the flow of current in only one direction and blocks in opposite direction. Now next point, the VI characteristics change when the polarity of the applied voltage is reverse. Now here we can see these are the VI characteristics for this unilateral circuit. Now what is VI characteristics? So VI characteristics is the graph plotted between voltage and current. Now here we can see this is the graph for forward bias and this is the graph for reverse bias when the polarity is reverse. So now how we get this first quadrant graph? So when we turn on this switch S1, that time this diode get connected in forward bias mode. Here this anode is connected to positive terminal of the battery and cathode connected to negative terminal of the battery. So that's why the current will flow in the circuit. So we get this graph, the first quadrant graph or forward bias graph. Now when we turn off this switch S1 and when we turn on S2, that time what happened? This positive terminal gets connected to this cathode and this negative terminal get connected to anode, and this diode become in reverse bias mode. Now in reverse bias we get this graph, the third quadrant graph. So here this first quadrant and third quadrant, both the graphs are different. So that's why this circuit gives different VI characteristic in first quadrant and third quadrant. That's why it is called as unilateral circuit. Then next point about this is VI characteristics in first quadrant, first and third quadrant are not identical. Then diode and BJT are the examples of unilateral element. Now here we can see this diode is the example of unilateral element. Also BJT is the example of unilateral element. Then circuit that contain at least one unilateral element are called unilateral circuit. So here if any one of the element is unilateral, that means the whole circuit will become unilateral circuit. So this is about unilateral circuit. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.